Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal under 18. It's important to know that PayPal's official policy states you must be at least 18 years old to open an account. This is because opening a PayPal account involves entering into a legal contract, which minors cannot legally do. Attempting to create an account with an incorrect birth date can lead to serious issues, including the permanent closure of your account. The most common and legally compliant way for someone under 18 to use PayPal is through a parent or legal guardian. An adult can open an account in their own name, linking their bank accounts and cards. With their explicit permission, you can then use this account. Remember, the adult is fully responsible for all transactions, so clear communication and trust are essential for this arrangement to work smoothly. It is crucial to avoid linking any financial instruments, such as a minor's personal bank account or debit card, to an adult's PayPal account, as names must match. Be aware that if PayPal discovers an account was opened with false age information, it can be limited or permanently closed. Any funds held in such an account might be frozen for up to 180 days before being released, causing significant inconvenience. Once you turn 18, you can legally open your own PayPal account. However, if you previously opened an account by misrepresenting your age, that account will likely be permanently closed. You will need to create an entirely new account using your correct, adult information. Any funds that were held in a non-compliant account might be released to you after a waiting period of approximately 180 days following the account closure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.